Hey guys, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. Another day, another Dior. I have the new Dior Addict Shine lipsticks, guys, to swatch for you in natural light swatches and then lip swatch. I also have the two limited edition lipstick fashion lipstick case. Yeah, so if you're interested, just continue watching. So here are the lipstick case that I've got. So this is the first one. So I have the lipstick case in Pink Mania. So I think this is Pink Mania. Look how gorgeous. OMG, you guys. Collectors must have. So pretty. So this is Pink Mania. And this other lipstick case is, I think this is called Tutu. Cutie. Very demure. Char. So this is Pink Mania and Tutu. Dior Addict Shine fashion lipstick cases. There. Which one's your favorite? Comment down below. And I've got the two Dior Addict Hydrating Shine lipstick shades in first shade. We have 250 Dior Charm. Shade 250 in Dior Charm. So here's Dior Charm. Nude. I love this kind of nude. I hope the camera gives justice. Looks so pretty shade, you guys. And the other shade is 120 Pink Callisto. So this is Pink Callisto. Another pretty shade. So let us start swatching Pink Callisto, guys. And let me remove this pink lipstick first. Oh, by the way, they gave me some samples. These are the sample products they sent me. Miss Dior perfume. Then another freebie. Wait, the camera. There, J'adore miniature perfume. There. So I highly recommend you guys, if you're going to buy something from Dior, buy it from the official site because they give such great freebies. And another freebies is they send me this Dior Forever Skin Glow. There. So yeah, better to buy Dior products from the official sites to get this kind of freebies and also beautiful boxes or packaging. So anyway, without further hanash, let's start the swatches. Arm and lip swatches. So I'm starting off with this 120 Pink Callisto. So let me remove my lipstick first. Here's Pink Callisto, you guys. 120. And here is Dior Charm, shade 250. So let us start swatching, lip swatch the lighter shade in Pink Callisto. Pink Callisto. Let me wipe this off. I love Dior Addict Shine, guys, because it is the formulation is very hydrating, very gentle to the lips, and yeah, easy to remove. With this formula, lipstick formulation, I can go swatch like even 5 or 6. Unlike matte lipstick, oh my god. Good luck. So this is the other shade, Dior Charm. This is so pretty. I think this is my favorite. I love this shade. OMG, new favorite lipstick shade. Dior Charm. Love it, you guys. Very, very natural lips like, but 10 times better. And yeah, can wear it everyday lips. I will use this tutu for Dior Charm. This lipstick case is worth to collect, you guys. I have a collection. And the other shade, Pink Callisto, is going to Pink Mania case. There. Yay! Happy girly. Yeah, happy purchase. My favorite, maybe Pink Mania. But this is so cutesy. Very demure. Very simple, girly type of case. Anyway, before we end this video, here's the 2 shades again. One more look. So, Pink Callisto and Dior Charm. Nude one is Dior Charm. Both stunning. Everyday lipstick shade. But my favorite is the one on my lips right now. This is in the shade Dior Charm. Found a new favorite everyday lipstick. And here are the swatches again. One more look, you guys. Can you see it there? Below is Dior Charm and above is Pink Callisto. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful, stay kind. Bye!